Back and I'm causing a stir. How the fuck I got the drink out of Europe? Shawty keep kissing her. She wanna see how the she wanna see how the jack boys move. Spin on the mic, we check 1, 2. Couple of killers, I'm flying a private. Check my tube. What's up? What's up? What niggas got? Niggas remember when?
Hey guys, me Taj, and today we are here at Westwood for the Cars on Sundays annual car show. We got some crazy cars here. I'm here an hour early and we already have two insane Ferraris. We first have a 599 GTO here, and over here we have a F12 TDF. This is absolutely amazing. I really haven't seen this F12 TDF before, and this is the famous one with the number plate no wife. And here's the back view of the 599 GTO. Very amazing Ferraris, especially this F12 is very rare, so pretty cool to see. We got a classic Porsche over there, and we have a Porsche GT4. Got the Black Series in the Movia, and right next to the Black Series we have a Porsche GT2 RS. There's a 488, A12 and a pair of Songway right over there. There's the 488, A12 and Ferrari pair of Songway. Second one I've ever seen before. Last one I saw was in blue. This one is in red. Insane little convoy here. And we got a Urus back there. Also got a 12C here with some crazy aero. Oh my goodness, Ferrari Sf90Xx just pulled up. Only 2 in South Africa and 1 in Durban. It's insane. This is like Porsche heaven right now. This Porsche is really interesting. Don't even know what Porsche that is, but has a cool body kit. Pretty sick. Ferrari 488 Pista and a Lamborghini Revuelto in yellow. This is insane. And here's the blue Revuelto. Crazy scenes here. Bro, I feel like I'm playing Forza right now. It's insane. The cars are absolutely insane. I didn't even know we had a dark green 911 GT3 RS. And there's that 146 BMW. And a whole bunch more supercars over there. And there's still more. There's a black Aventador, Brabus, and so much more coming in. .765 LT. F8 and a GTR. Well, let's just start from the beginning. We got a GT4. The owner of this, the organizer of this event, this is his car. We got a yellow Lamborghini Revuelto, V12, 1000 horsepower. What more can I say? Insane car. We got a 488 Pista in red. We have, didn't even know this car existed in SA or even Durban, but dark green, you might call it like British racing green type of thing. GT3 RS, very, very sick. Here we got a Lamborghini Huracan Evo, and here is a Lamborghini Aventador. It's originally white, but he added a matte black wrap on top, and I'm assuming he owns paddle courts. There's one right over there, you know, because he has a bunch of paddle stuff and paddle balls, so I'm assuming. And if that's how he got rich, that's kind of cool, because there's so many paddle courts around Durban and SA in general. Here we got Mr. Schick's Lamborghini Revolto, and there's this brand there with the logo, and everything looks really sick on this car. Blue with yellow is a great combo. Next up we got a 1-off 46 BMW M4 CS. Yep, you heard me right, 1-off 46 in the world. Very, very rare. Some special limited edition version, and yeah, probably the only one in SA, I'm assuming. There's 46 in the world, and yeah, definitely need to take some photos now because it's a rare find. Here we got a Porsche GT2 RS, and we have a blue Lamborghini Aventador S Roadster. This guy actually let me sit in his car, which is really cool, a couple months back. Damn, I'm sitting in an Aventador S. This is crazy. Amazing car. Right next to it we got a 488 Pista in silver. There was the red one over there. And this bag actually looks sick. Silver rims, the black and red stripe. Pretty cool. And over here we have my car. And here we got a McLaren 600 LT in black with the bronze rims over there. And then 296 GTB right next to it. Very nice spec. Love the yellow. Over here we got a McLaren 765 LT, 765 in the world. This car is just crazy, honestly. He actually left the doors open so we can check the interior over here. And damn, you know, you got that Coke there in the 200 Rand for when you're speeding. I'm joking, but yeah, you can see the carbon on the wheel. And got the orange seat belts. And yeah, orange seat belts, orange brake discs, and it looks pretty sick. Here we got a Ferrari A12 Superfast, Ferrari 488 GTB, and a Ferrari Pure Sangway in red. This lineup here looks crazy. We got the Black Series I showed you before. And over here we got the purple Ferrari A12 Competizione. I showed this in my last video. Very sick spec. Green and purple. And here we got one of two in the country. Ferrari Sf90Xx. Here's the back of the Ferrari Sf90Xx. Absolutely insane. It's like a track version of the SF90. And you can just see the spec is crazy. Apparently this was inspired by the Smurfs, and you'll see why. It's like an orangey red color, which would definitely sell for more than a normal red. And the interior you can't see, but it's blue, like a Smurf. Pretty cool. Here's the F12 TDF from before, and the 599 GTO. And there's a blue Ferrari Pure Sangway. Here's the cars from the owners of Saxony, owners of the mall, and Bentley, and these are two 296 GTPs. And here's a Supra NSX R34 GTR and a bunch of spinning. Over here we got a Audi RS6, one of my dream dailies, Ferrari F8, and here's three 720Ss, three of them, absolutely insane. Pretty much saw these three at a Flanders Drive in my other YouTube video, except this one was a black one originally, but now this is Levine's Joker 720S, as you can see here with the cool livery. Here's interior of his 720S. I've actually sat in it and it's very nice. And there's the other interiors. And there's a lot of Porsches at this meet. Lots and lots. We got a Maybach V-Class over here. And let's try and get a video of the interior. Here's more of the Porsches. We got a couple Carreras, Caymans, 911 Turbo S. We have a GT4 RS. This guy hosts the 1% car shows. I didn't get to go to his last time, but he has a sick R8, Maserati, and an RS3. A lone standing Lamborghini Urus, just chilling here away from the crowd. And we got some more Porsches, C63, GT4, got a Carrera, Taycan, some classics over here, especially this one. Take a look at this. Now this is proper car. And here's the back. And you can check some of the supercar owners are playing paddle right now. That's pretty cool.
7.1 RS. Yeah, that thing's not just for show, man. No, it's not for show. I saw this man. That's when I said, you know, this man buys his cars just like us. No way.
So many more Porsches. And here we got a GT3 RS in full black. Very lovely. And more Porsches. This combo over here, R8, and RS7. Very good combo. Apparently it's only used to have an RS6, I remember from last year, but then he sold it for RS7. And here's a Turbo S. Ventador's revving here. Now they've lined up together. R8, R7 matching nicely. And they were just having a rev contest. That was pretty cool.
Hell yeah, that's good. How's it been today?
Honestly, great turnout. Sf90Xx, Revoltos, everything showed up.
But I won't lie, two revoltos, I wish I done on him.
Yeah, the green one. But if we at first we were getting shots behind the cars, but then they gave up.
But if you know the owner,
Yeah, I even stand at a footage. Yeah.
now I'm gonna wait for a bit to the end where I can shoot for the cars alone because there's too many people and it's annoying.
Yeah, definitely.
Like last year I complained because people hit my shots. And I was sold.
I came at like 8 o'clock. Okay, 8 o'clock. Sf90 came at like 8:15 and there was nobody by it.
What are we here?
Okay, see ya.
Okay.
I keep putting thumbs up.